तो हे गाइस, आपका स्वागत है एमएनएम के नए वीडियो में। तो आज का वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले आप पहले उसका डिस्क्लेमर पढ़ लीजिए। So I was going through my Instagram post and I saw a lot of stories which said मीडिया ने ये नहीं किया, मीडिया ने वो नहीं किया, मीडिया विल पोस्ट दिस, नो मीडिया विल शो दैट। तो मुझे थोड़ा ऑफेंस फील हुआ। No offense to y'all. For y'all, there are 4 main channels, and y'all only watch that channels. That's the reason y'all think the media is not showing a lot of stuff. There are few ethics in journalism: truth and accuracy, independence, fairness and impartiality,
मस्त जोक मारा रे ये हंस रे हलकट हंस
humanity, accountability और frequency। नहीं, ये कोई जर्नलिज्म की क्लास नहीं है। मैं सिर्फ आपको समझा रहा हूं कि एक जर्नलिस्ट को क्या क्या फॉलो करना पड़ता है। हाँ, इन सम सर्कमस्टांसेस वी फॉलो दिस एंड समटाइम्स वी डोंट, पर इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं कि आप किसी को भी थ्रैश करेंगे। सो आइए, और अगर आपको ये वीडियो थोड़ी बुरी लगे तो डिस्क्लेमर फिर से पढ़िए, उसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके रखिए, क्योंकि कुछ बातें चुभने वाली है। ऑल न्यूज चैनल हैज टू फॉलो दिस एथिक्स। इट्स नथिंग लाइक इंस्टाग्राम कि कुछ भी न्यूज मिली तो पोस्ट कर दिया, उसके बारे में एक लंबा कैप्शन लिख दिया, और अगर वो चीज फेक निकली तो उसे डिलीट कर दिया। ऑल न्यूज चैनल हैज टू फॉलो दिस। आई कैन गिव यू एन लाइव एग्जांपल। Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide, and after he committed suicide, there were a lot of bluffs coming out. One of them is that Sushant Singh Rajput was going through a bipolar disorder. These news was it was uploaded on a website. I cannot name the website, but it was uploaded on a website, and from that website, a news channel picked up that particular news, and it was live. But then a psychiatrist confronted it, and she tweeted about this that no psychiatrist, no policeman, not anyone has said that Sushant Singh Rajput was going through a bipolar disorder. So that's actually a fake news. And after things going live, we can delete things from website, but we cannot delete things which have gone live. So that's what it is. खैर छोड़ो, तो कल मैंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी पे एक सर्वे किया। मैंने लोगों से पूछा कि डू यू ऑल थिंक इंडियन मीडिया शोज अप्रोप्रिएट और रिलेवेंट न्यूज, एंड आई गॉट सम अमेजिंग रीजंस. I totally respect their feelings, their point of view, and their choice. But जिन लोगों की मुझे लगा कि this is the point of view of the whole nation, like not the whole nation, but the people who I know, I've tried to give them an answer.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
I totally agree with this screenshot. But there are 389 news channels in India with different languages. I know the news channels stretch a lot, but what if they are getting new updates regarding that story? They are getting to know some more information regarding that topic. For live example, I can give you all the Sachin Pilot story. It has been stretched a lot, and if you all don't know about Sachin Pilot, the video link has been given in the description box below. Go and watch. Tell me one thing, in India, do we get any positive news? If you find the cure for coronavirus, that will be a positive news. But can you explain me one thing? How can an Indian media news channel can show a murder positively? That will be unethical and funny too. Talking about the debate when Sushant Singh Rajput died was because the blame was going on different people in the industry, and there were people who were opening secrets about different people in the industry. No offense, y'all will be like, media is not showing this, media is not giving justice to Sushant, media is this, media बिकाऊ है, media ये है, blah 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 and whatever. और रही बात पार्टी के पैसे देने की, there are many different parties who have invested in different news channels. For a clear-cut example, Republic TV has been funded by the BJP party. I know, the ethics should take place over here, but who will risk his own job and give away to a different person? No one will. And in this current situation, of course no one will. Bollywood industry में favoritism और media में biasness अब तो normal सी बात हो गई है. And I totally understand the news channels are not always right. They can be a problem. But have you all ever thought that the news channels को news just whistleblower से मिलती है? क्या वो whistleblower भी सच बोल रहा है? No. और इस पे फंसता कौन है? न्यूज चैनल्स. और रही बात दंगे फसाद की, आई टोटली एग्री विद दिस. कल जब शरद पवार ने राम मंदिर के बारे में कुछ बताया तब अर्नब गोस्वामी के ये थॉट्स थे. और ये चीजें आराम से एक दंगे फसाद में जा सकती है. दे कैन बी प्रॉब्लम अगेंस्ट द पार्टी. Don't quote me on this, but yes, of course, media houses are behind TRPs. Like companies are behind profit. We need to touch that mark. TRPs are as important as profit. The media houses has to touch that mark, and if we don't touch, we will be thrashed into liabilities. But मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि TRP के लिए कुछ भी करो, but just facts. और मैं अब काफी बार सुन चुका हूं कि आसाम फ्लड्स, नो वन इज शोइंग अबाउट आसाम फ्लड्स, वेयर इज आसाम, जस्टिस फॉर आसाम, जस्टिस फॉर आसाम. गाइस, आसाम हर जगह है. एवरी न्यूज चैनल इज शोइंग समथिंग अबाउट आसाम. द न्यूज चैनल हैज टू कॉन्टैक्ट द रिपोर्टर्स हु आर स्टेइंग इन आसाम, आर फाइन एंड आर रेडी टू गो आउट फॉर कवरेज. नो मीडिया हाउसेस विल शो यू एनीथिंग विदाउट कवरेज. बट बस रिपोर्टर की कोई जिंदगी नहीं है, बस तुम्हें न्यूज फटाक से आ जानी चाहिए. And yes, social media played an important role in this situation. The people staying in Assam started uploading photos, videos of their flood on Instagram or any other social platform. And you all came to know faster than the news channels. That's the reason we say social media is faster than any other thing in this nation or in this world. Social media is with us since morning till night. And yes, I agree, social media is much more faster than other news channels. But after watching the news on social media, you all come back to the news channel just to confirm that particular news is right or it's coming out from a trusted source. Mano ya na mano, there is a little bit trust factor in these news channels. You all trust these news channels. Talking about Kashmir, I want to know what's happening in Kashmir. And not only me, there are different peoples in this country wants to know more about Kashmir. But the government won't let us do that. In Kashmir, internet and media is banned. During the time of CAA, Ajit Doyal went to Kashmir just to have a little bit, he wanted to know what's happening in Kashmir. But let me tell you one thing, Ajit Doyal went in Kashmir where things were literally fine. There were no protests. But he didn't visit the places where there were actual protests happening, where there was stone peddling happening everywhere. That is not the correct way of journalism. And I totally agree with you all that the Kashmir should be more explored by the media houses. Let the truth come out. I seriously don't want to comment anything on this Dalit factor. By looking at the current situation, I don't want to get thrashed by any of these. And if you want to know openly about this, you can message me personally. I'll let you know everything about that over there.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
Amitabh Bachchan himself tweeted that he's been positive for coronavirus. What else proof you all want? Amitabh Bachchan is the living legend of this Bollywood industry. That's the reason the media houses don't want to miss any of the updates regarding Amitabh Bachchan. And that's the reason there is a lot of Amitabh Bachchan on these news channels. So guys, in the end, I just want to say that हमने media को इतना बुरा बना दिया है that we are just finding faults in them. We are not saying what they are doing actually. There are reporters who are risking their life in Assam and giving you live updates. There are people who has risked their life during 26/11 and they have given you live updates. But in the end, it's your choice, and I totally respect your choice and your point of view. And if you all want to still debate on any further topic, you all can message me, or you all can follow our Instagram page M&M Reconnecting. We'll try to connect with you all over there. So if you like this video, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe on this channel.